Hey guys, Sweetness here, and I'm here with another video for you guys. So I did a video a little while back on retwisting my roots, and as you can see, it needs to get retwisted once again. I do not have time. There were some comments being said that why would you do that? It's starter locks, it's gonna get tangly. Why don't you just take it out, redo it? Guess what? I don't have time to do it. If you have time to do that, then you do so, but I don't. I'm a hairstylist. I have time to make people beautiful. You know what I mean? I don't have time for myself. I'm going on a trip next week. I'm booked up solid until then, until the day I leave. So don't have the time. My husband's here. He's gonna retwist my roots once again, and I'm pretty excited about that because we're going out tonight, and he's just like, "You're doing your hair, right?" But if it was up to me, honestly, I would try to just do a little 1-2 and just out the door. But he wants to fix me up because I fixed him up today. First time having braids in years. Giving me cramps in my fingers because his hair is pinched. But anywho, as I was saying, so guys, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe if you want to see more videos. Turn on your notifications because I'll be posting. You know what it is? Posting. Anyways, so yeah, I'm ready for this once again. Now, let me explain to you peoples, my sweetie pies, and people just want to come and just, whatever. For me, it's for me when I'm retwisting my roots, okay? If it's not for you, skip the video and look for something that works for you, which could be taking out your braids and redoing it. If you don't want to do the retwisted method, don't do it. I'm doing it because my roots are thick enough. I am not balding. I am not receding. I am fine, so I can do it. Yeah, my hairline can do with a little help, and the back of my head could do with a little bit of help. But it's my choice, and when I do take out my braids, I don't have no issues. Yes, I did not do a video for the takeout, but I will be doing a takeout for sure for this box braids. So if you do not want to do it, don't do it. If you're balding, if you're receding, don't do it. If your hair is thinning out, don't do it. If your hair is not healthy enough to handle stinger braids in the first place, you shouldn't even have stinger braids in the first place. You understand me? I do locks, okay? I have clients that still, their roots just unravels as soon as water touches it. So when you guys are commenting and saying that, oh, your hair is going to lock, don't do it. No, not even people with locks. It doesn't even lock after 3 months. It takes time. Not everybody's hair will lock like that. And you know what? The takeout method is very crucial, and that's why I'm gonna have to do a video for some of you guys, because if you say that your hair will lock, mine does not lock. So stop commenting down below. If it locked for you, then it locked for you, but it didn't lock for me, and that is why I did the video. If it doesn't work for you, move on and look for something else. Got it? Now, as I'm going to say to you guys, all I'm using, I put a little bit of leave-in conditioner inside of this and water. That is it. I do not use wax. I do not use edge control. I do not use anything that is heavy on my hair. For the past couple months, I can't even tell you guys how long I had this in for, but all I use is braid spray. It has like nothing heavy. And if I do put any hair oil, it's hair oil that I'm putting in my scalp. And that is it. Nothing is heavy that is going into my hair. That is it. So when I do take it out, the buildup, yes, I have buildup at the root. There's always going to be buildup there. You understand me? But the takeout method is that each braid that you take out, you have to open it. But I will show you about that. So my husband's going to be doing my roots. And now it's not going to lock. It's not going to lock my hair. Thank you very much for who's saying that it will lock. That's all I have to say for now. As I get pretty for tonight, my husband's gonna fix me up. Right, hubby?
Yeah.
See, he's gonna fix me up. And yeah, so